Hi guys, it's joyitohann once again, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, in today's video I am bringing you this beautiful drawstring Afro puff. Guys, look at this beauty. Guys, if you want to see how I achieved this, please don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and keep on watching, okay? Thank you. So guys, the hair we are going to be using for this video is the xpression kinky coily, and as you can see guys, this is not even a full pack. So if you have any kinky coily hair laying around somewhere guys, this is a very good way to utilize it. We are also going to be needing your dummy head, your T-pins, your crochet hook, and guys, this is the ponytail net we are going to be using. As you can see, it has combs for security, and also guys, this is how the drawstring works. So guys, to start this Afro puff, I'm going to be placing the ponytail net on my mannequin head and also securing them with T-pins. Guys, this step is really important, okay? So I'm going to be grabbing a bundle of my kinky hair and dividing it into two, and also guys, I'm going to be taking a small section of that and crocheting it in the net. Guys, this is very simple. I'm going to bring the video closer so you can see how I crocheted, okay? So guys, I made a very silly mistake. I was trying to crochet through that comb, so please don't be like me. Just turn the comb out so you don't experience that and continue your crochet experience, okay? So guys, honestly, you really can't go wrong while making this Afro puff. It is so simple, it is so beginner friendly, it is very repetitive. I am literally just doing the same thing, which is crocheting. You might just want to leave like little space while crocheting so it doesn't look too bulky, and even though it's too bulky, it doesn't really spoil anything. You can't go wrong with this hair guys, and I did this under 30 minutes. Under 30 minutes guys. So guys, this is the second bundle I am using, and I'm going to just guide you through on how many I used. So guys, you can actually end up using more or less. It all depends on how you section your hair, but trust me guys, you won't use a whole pack. So guys, as you can see, we are done with the crochet. Like, how easy was that? And if you notice guys, we made use of only 3 bundles, just 3 bundles, okay? So guys, we are done and it's time for us to trim. I'm just trying to fluff the Afro puff a bit with my hands and trimming off the hairs that are not in frame. Please guys, don't try to overdo this, okay? Take your time, don't rush, okay? And don't be tempted to do so much, okay? Just a little trim and we're done. So guys, we are done trimming and I'm just going to be removing the T-pins we used to secure the ponytail. And guys, we are done. Look at this beauty. Like, are you telling me we did this ourselves? Guys, you can do this for yourself and also for people. You can do this and sell. It is super easy. So now guys, it's time for us to install this on our head, and I'm just going to be braiding down the ends of my hair just to give the Afro puff a very secured base. Guys, I have a video on my channel on how I slick down my 4-type natural hair. In case you want to know how I did this slick bun, I would be linking it up here, so please go check it out. Okay, so guys, it's time for us to install the ponytail, and I would be securing the combs as you would see me doing now. I am securing the 2 combs on that base we created, and I would also be drawing out the drawstring. Okay, at this point guys, I'm going to be wrapping that drawstring around my hair, and you would also be needing bobby pins. I'm going to be using bobby pins to secure the ends of that drawstring so it stays secured. Okay, so guys, at this point I'm also just trying to fluff it around, and as you can see, it doesn't really have any structure, it's just dangling around. So I'm just also going to be using the bobby pin to just pin it on my hair just to give it shape and give it structure so it stands and it also doesn't move around. Okay,
don't know how we got here, but tell me where you've been.
and guys, this is the final look. Oh my god, look at the side guys, look at the back, look at every inch of this hair. This is beautiful guys. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do. Okay, click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my video. Click on the like button if you haven't, and leave a comment for me down below. Okay, I love you guys, and I can't wait to come again with another video. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.